Bertha, and peekaboo on Frank putting his harness on. Today we're doing things a little bit different. We went and got our Bluetooth earphones, and we're going to, that way we can at least talk to each other a little bit better. We had walkie-talkies, but I have a hard time hearing those over the lovely sound of a diesel engine, and so we're gonna give that a try this morning and see if that works.
All dressed up, ready for Carrie to have fun lifting me up in the air. Yeah, I'm gonna get high. Gonna get high.
All right.
I'm gonna get high, but hopefully I don't get stoned.
Cleaning up all the stone, getting all the mortar off the bricks so that we can reuse it. Bertha taking a rest. Bertha, you're standing right by her. Frank's giving her a chance to rest. Alright, getting there. Trying to beat some of the rain.
Well, Carrie's lifting me up again. She's doing a good job. She's learning how to drive old Bertha. Sure does take a long time to get rid of all this stone. Of course, we're not getting rid of it. But she's getting there. This is I guess this is what you call preservation. Yeah. Now we got to try to figure out how to get these. The keystones, that's what they're called. I've been trying to remember what they're called. Keystones. We've got to figure out how to hold these two up while I pull this one. Otherwise they'll just all fall down. Got all the big ones off. And the caked on brick that's just kind of, whoa, that whole thing wiggles now. Yeah, it wasn't held on by very much. I think we did the right thing. This whole wall wiggles. I don't think it's supposed to. This is what was that bar is strapped on way back in there, and it came out through the stone wall, and that supposedly kept it from falling down, which it probably did, but it's just a lot of fun. We'll get it eventually.
closer. Got most of the stones. I got the keystones off. I put 2x4s under the 2, and then was able to take the middle one out and the side ones. You know, these ones are laying flat on the thing, so then I get to take down all this old brick that's just kind of sitting there.
Without knocking the wall down, we're taking down that original trim. One square nail in the middle of it, so it's kind of very delicate operation. Yeah. All right. Well, Frank wanted to open a window. Hey, baby.
You wonder what I'm doing?
Yeah.
I'm standing, I don't know, about 40 feet off the ground. Just relaxing. Why? What are you doing?
I'm lifting you up and down.
Huh.
The window looks...
Getting there.
Yeah.
Ma'am, did you need your windows cleaned? Come on, Mary.
Yeah, really. Here's my ride down there.
Looks like a long ways down.
Uh-huh.
I'm being safety.
Yeah,
I'm being a safety.
you are.
See, I don't know that it's that high up here. I mean, the floor's right there. Little ladder and everything. I think people could do this without being scared of heights. There's Carrie Lou. I don't know why she's not in my tractor. Anyway, just one more big stone on this side. And then those. We're getting there. Let's see if I can wrestle this big stone onto the man basket. First, you gotta make sure everything's loose. Looks really loose. It's already moving. Little one out here. Haha! Success! And that's what the stuff was sitting on. And this is slanted off. Yeah, those bricks were all this was sitting on that one little stone. All right, last little bit, and this, if you can see, before I take that big one off, that when we started this morning, these were matched up. So this part right there is leaning out by that much. So before I go to pull off that top stone, we're gonna strap it to the house so it doesn't fall in.
Okay, we got, I don't know if you guys can see that wobbling. We've got the strap on it. Of course the sun's in there, just the perfect.
See how easy it is to get the stones off? Well, tell you what, these are big. You gotta have big stones to do this. Otherwise it just doesn't work.
Whoa.
I estimate this stone weighs I don't know, about 450 pounds. That's my guesstimate. Ta-da! Just like that.
Just like that.
Got another one. And this is what happens to lime mortar when it's wet a lot.
Mm-hmm.
We're documenting.
It won't focus in. It's all the drone shots we took of the dormer, and we're numbering all the stones as we take them off, so we know exactly where they go when it comes time to put them back up, so it looks the same. There might be a new chip here or there, but it'll be in much better condition.
It's not gonna fall down.
Mm-mm.
I'm glad we got the big one.
Yeah.
A regular boom lift wouldn't have done this. Hey, baby.
Hey.
I'm documenting our puzzle.
Ah.
So far, we've taken down 63 stones to date.
Wow. Just today?
I don't
Or
know,
all
maybe.
together?
It's more than that, because the ones we took down from the bottom there.
Oh, okay.
I mean, with the forklift, yeah. 63, I think. That's probably a good way to count it.
Yeah. You're wondering what the D stands for?
I don't know, I made it up.
Dormer.
Oh!
Ooh.
Did you think of that?
No?
I didn't think of it.
I assumed that's why you were doing the D.
No, I just picked it better.
D for dormer.
Yeah, that's why I did it. I remember now.
Yeah, the lighting is not very good right up here. I'm sitting on top of a ladder.
I'm just sitting on the ground. Ish. I'm trying to find a spot so I can get underneath this and pop this stone loose. 'Cause that's all it takes. There you go. Yeah, all the others just pop right off. I don't like doing it on the face because
Yeah, there's a bigger spot back here in the middle. That whole big clump of brick. Oh. And there's a whole another bunch of brick. That's all the brick on this side.
look how broken. I mean, it's not even close to how it should be.
What the? Whoa. What do you want me to do with this window? This one's being a tad bit stubborn.
Yep.
It is 2 stones, right?
Yep. That's the hardest one it's been so far.
I know. Done for the day. Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by Frank and Carrie's Adventures. We really enjoy making these videos and appreciate you joining us on our journey. So feel free to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, feel free to share our videos, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can know when a new video comes out. Until next time.